This is Dinner at the Round Table Podcast. Prepare to be astonished.
Here's my cooperative.
Live from New York, you already know what it is. Dinner at the Round Table Podcast, man. You already know what it is with my co-host, La Dueña, and EDM producer the other day. We live every Sunday. We got Manny, my boy Manny Rodriguez, Manuel Rodriguez, expert in cryptocurrency, brother. What's up? Kryptonize me, bro. Kryptonize me.
What up, Manny Rodriguez, my brother from another mother?
Hey, how's it going, family? How's it going? Long time. We already know each other from a long time. You know, good to finally reconnect. Good to reconnect, talk to you guys.
Yeah,
it's all love always.
I was like, Manny, get over here.
It's like, Manny, for real? Yo, I haven't seen him in a minute.
Word, I was
day, bro.
Yeah, it's been a long road, actually, a long time, just grinding, hustling, especially, you know, after COVID. COVID changed a lot of people, and COVID, it was like make or break for a lot of people.
Yep.
So,
yeah, for sure.
you know, just grinding, making it. And
Opportunity
opportunity has been knocking. Things have been looking lovely. And speaking of cryptos and then in the financial markets, things have been somewhat successful.
Yeah,
things have been
have
successful.
opportunities been knocking like this, or?
FBI, open up!
I mean,
That type of knock.
sometimes it feels like that, right? It's like a kick in the face, man. It's like, yo, what happened? Yeah, it does feel like that actually. Sometimes it's you know, you study, you grind, you especially if you're talking about the financial markets, you possibly put your money at risk, and one day, you know what I mean, it happens like that, you know, after training, after studying, after putting all the knowledge and mindset and positivity and everything together, you know,
Yeah,
opportunity to come knocking.
When I heard you was doing cryptocurrency, like, yo, we gotta get this guy over here.
Get over here!
Hopefully,
for real. I was like, Manny, okay, like.
So let's finish them real quick
Finish him.
and give them the
Fatality.
fatality of cryptocurrency. Let's talk about what is cryptocurrency. For those who don't know, there's a lot of people who are misinformed, disinformed, have no idea what the definition of crypto
Like
or
me.
currency means. Yeah, like La Dueña, unfortunately. But I mean, there's other people out there in the world too, aside from La Dueña. I think it's the water of Florida. But anyway, aside from La Dueña,
Yeah, man.
You know the water of Florida be turning people gay.
A lot, bro.
Word?
Like the frogs and shit. I heard about it.
Shut up.
What? I heard your water is
I
turning.
just dating.
I heard your water's turning the frogs gay down there. What's up?
So what if you kiss them, La Dueña, you get a gay prince? Pause. Anyway.
I gotta
What's
get
up, princess? Hi.
my cat is gay.
Hey, I'm
Hi.
the dog
You're
you
the
kiss.
gay cat.
Yes,
My
queen.
cat's gay, yeah. Go for a gender change.
Man.
Oh,
Maybe I
God.
do a little. This is hilarious, man. Did I say
For
it?
my cat.
That's right.
But yeah, so let's get into it. What is crypto? What is the cryptocurrency in general? You just give an explanation there.
Well, to give like a blanket statement
Yeah.
about what cryptocurrency is, it's just basically money in a digital form. And instead of, whereas the regular, you know, normally money would be backed by either the Federal Reserve or the World Central Bank, cryptocurrency is decentralized. So it's pretty much, it's not backed, it's online. The other day knows a lot about it. Him and I speak about it a lot of times, and pretty much it's a cryptocurrency. It runs on the blockchain. To go deep into what blockchain is, that could be talked. You could have a whole conversation on blockchain technology. But long story short, it's encrypted. So your money is encrypted. It's a digital currency, just in the form of like on the internet or digital asset. It's a digital asset.
Well, I know like down here in Florida, you could use Bitcoin to now you can start using Bitcoin to purchase things in the store. And we went to a sushi restaurant last week, and the waiter actually asked us if we were interested in paying for our meal using Bitcoin. And I was like,
Interesting.
what? I mean, I own a little bit of it. You know what I mean? I kind of don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going by people like you and people that I know their stuff. They're like, oh, put some money in this or put some money in that, And so I'm like, okay. And I was getting money with it. So I'm like, all right, you guys know what's going on.
Don't buy anything with your bit unless it's like something huge.
Don't buy what?
Don't buy anything random with your Bitcoin. Use regular cash for that. Because all you're gonna because all you're gonna do in that aspect is you're gonna give them your Bitcoin and they're gonna hold on to it. So technically you might have paid $20 in Bitcoin, but at the end of the day they might come up $100.
Oh, right, because Bitcoin is rising.
Yeah. Okay. Right now it's currently falling.
So I actually had this conversation just the other day. The other day. and
smoke weed every day.
Absolutely. So we were talking about how basically the value of anything, or the value of everything, the value of anything is really what you're willing to pay for it. So like, especially with cryptocurrency, like right now, cryptos are falling because of a lot of things going on. There's a lot of news. But I mean, if we're talking about in the last year, cryptos have increased about like 584% in the last year or so.
584%.
Right. And that's because due to the belief, like you see, like people are starting to like believe, you just said it right now, the restaurant in Florida specifically, Miami, I heard that the entire like county of Miami-Dade that you're able to receive your salary in Bitcoin if you want to. And
what?
You could probably tell me about that. I know you live in Florida.
Probably. I'm in Orlando.
Yeah, I've heard. Yeah. And like the police force as well, they can they can choose to get their salary now in Bitcoin.
Yes.
But can't that be a little bit scary, like with the unstable,
exactly. So that's why, and that's exactly why I would agree with the other day. He's saying to you that, like, if you buy right now, it's low, especially now. And okay, so maybe they can accept it. It's a convenience that you're able to pay digitally and just have, just have it so smooth transaction. But let's say like maybe even a few weeks from now, crypto goes up, and it goes up from like where it's currently at to they're projecting it to be 70,000. So let's say if that happens next month, even, which is a few weeks from now, and you just paid for a meal a crazy amount. When you think about it, you pay now.
My meal was originally $100,
right?
And few weeks later, it's like, damn, I just paid
$400, right?
$400 for a $100 meal,
right? Let's say
in the future, anybody that's getting paid in crypto or getting paid in Bitcoin, especially with Bitcoin, because that's the gran papi of the cryptos. You already know.
The gran papi.
Yeah, that's the foundation, the Bitcoin.
You feel me? The King Kong Godzilla Bitcoin is crypto is Bitcoin. So it's like, the way I see it, if you're gonna buy something in crypto, make sure that it's worth it, like a house, yacht, car, something big, land. You feel me? Something that if throughout time, if you'll see your value of that grow, like the Bitcoin will grow. Like Manny was saying, like it's down now, but in 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks, that shit gonna double and then triple. By the end of the year, Manny was saying 70,000. That's by the end of the summer. By the end of the year, it could hit 100K.
Bam.
So yeah, so that's the thing with cryptos right now. Cryptos especially, they are volatile, so they do fluctuate in the market. But what I do, especially aside from cryptos, I also trade in the forex market, the foreign exchange market, and you can trade cryptos on the foreign exchange market. You're essentially just changing dollars to crypto. You know what I mean?
Right.
So you're gonna, on the foreign exchange market, you can make money either way. It's basically your based on your analysis, you're gonna say that the market is gonna go up or down. Bitcoin it's going to go up or down. And either way, you know, if it goes in your favor, you make money.
Yeah.
So right now, by the way, gold is up. I'm in profit, guys. So gold is up. I don't know if you guys can really see that.
Nah, I can't see it too much.
So my screen is blue. If you see my screen blue, that means I'm making money. So okay, so I know A can tell you.
I see the lines is going up.
See the lines. That's the market here. If I can.
If you send me the link, I can.
Okay, there we go.
I can share.
So
it's going up right now.
You see it's going up right now. So you see. So
Manny, if you send me the link, I can share it with the.
Which link?
I got
you. Send me a link and I can share it.
Don't worry.
Oh, like a screenshot?
Yeah, I can send you like a screenshot. Absolutely. So as a matter of fact, part of what I've been up to is I'm currently building my own website where I'm going to be teaching about, you know, the foreign exchange market where you can trade cryptos and trade currencies. You can trade the dollar, the yen, British pound. You can trade the Mexican peso if you want to. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm currently working on something like that. If you guys want, I'll definitely send the link. Website is moneypowereffects.com. That's going to be up soon.
Okay.
So yeah.
So quick question then
Absolutely.
I mean once crypto becomes cash goes obsolete and it's just digital currency like crypto, then it won't matter whether it fluctuates or not because you have no choice because you got to use it anyway, right?
And that is like, honestly, I predict that's an inevitability. That's bound to happen. Like especially with what's going on, especially with since Corona, you know, people haven't forgotten about the riots. People haven't forgotten about. As a matter of fact, I don't want to get too political, but you know, with what's going on with the wars right now, and U.S. funding certain wars, and you know, so on and so forth, that itself, you know, people are having less faith in the U.S. and in return, their currency drops. So remember, I mentioned earlier that, you know, the value of something is what we think it is. Like, you know, it's what we're willing to pay for it, how much we believe in it, how much we have faith in it, you know, in the U.S., in the U.S. dollar, in gold, in cryptocurrency, in whatever it is. And, you know, and
it's going down and down, especially now that they keep printing trillions and trillions of dollars, you know, so that everyone can have the stimulus checks. It's almost like a setup. You know what I mean? It's almost like a setup. It's like, all right, let's just keep printing. Right.
But the thing
and then the dollar is just going to be equal to a penny.
Yeah, I don't know anywhere else in U.S. history where the government has given its own people like free money. Like, okay, yeah, there are programs and there are government programs, but like, since when did, you know, like someone was telling me the other day, like it feels like the stimulus is they're just throwing free money at you, like it's almost in desperation, and you know that's gotta affect the value of the dollar.
So, yeah, definitely.
It's coming.
I invest in real estate, and so what we were
that's awesome
in our seminar. Yeah, so I have my own real estate company. These guys know about it. It's ChristineBuysHouses.com, and I buy and sell houses and flip them. So basically, my mentor, I had a mentor that, you know, took me through the whole process of building your business and learning everything about real estate front and back. And basically, you know, we had like a seminar where they were talking about the value of the dollar. And so if you pay $100,000 for a house, say 10 years ago, you bought it for 100,000 and now it's worth 200,000, you know what I mean? That definitely makes a difference. So it's very important, especially for the Latin community. We have an initiative to put 1,000 Hispanic families in homes. And I see you have like an initiative to teach as many people about this. So, you know, big ups to you. So I think you should do like a little tour thing. Like we did it in Florida. We went to like a few restaurants and a few Latin neighborhoods to talk about housing and, you know, the difference between getting a mortgage and buying a house cash. You know, all of that affects the dollar.
Absolutely.
So the same thing applies to Bitcoin.
Right. And thank you for that. Yeah, absolutely. I I definitely share that same passion for you, like in the sense that, like, I definitely want to. This is bigger than myself. You know what I mean? My goals are bigger than myself. Is more for my friends, my family, my community, and absolutely, like, you know what I mean? Like, big ups to you for that. Like, investing in real estate, and reaching out to our people out there. Absolutely.
Christine's gonna get me my form.
Huh?
I'm gonna what?
Christine's gonna get me my form.
Your farm?
Yeah, when I get the license.
Awesome.
Oh yeah. Yo, there's advertising all over Florida. You'll see big billboards of them hiring.
Up in New York, the license is up here, so I need one upstate.
Oh, you need one up there? Yeah, I got you. I work all over the United States, but it's crazy because down here they're for people to work the farms, the cannabis farms down here in Florida. They must be.
Wait. Is legal down there? Hold on. We're about to make moves.
Not legal. It's not legal.
Is legal down there?
It's not legal though. That's the thing. It's not
really?
No.
Wait.
But they have these signs everywhere talking about, for you to work the cannabis. Now, if you have your medical marijuana license, they have those clinics everywhere too.
Right. So, I've seen some distilleries.
So it's basically almost there, but it's not there.
It's almost there. I think they're just ready to, because they know once that's legalized, because I know you guys are not legalized in New York.
Florida never shut down during the pandemic, so they never lost money.
Pretty much.
New York lost billions. They said, all right, cool, we're going to legalize online gambling, weed is legal, and prostitution. Let's go.
Here in New York, yeah. They've gone.
Yo, when I
crazy.
Did they legalize that?
Yeah. It's not legal, but cops ain't stopping them. That's all. I'm like, yo, that shit is insane. That shit is insane to me.
So, Manny, let's talk about a little bit about the different types of cryptocurrencies available and which ones are more sustainable. Let's talk about that.
Sure. So we have mentioned that the daddy of the Bitcoin is the daddy of the crypto is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is definitely like the main one. Ethereum right now is as I would say is a strong second, absolutely. If not, actually, because Bitcoin is kind of dropping right now. There are certain articles saying that Ethereum might be a first. And so there are digital, remember we were talking about digital assets. There are, I don't know if you guys know about NFTs. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens. That's what it stands for. And basically what that is, long story short, for the common person, it's a digital asset. So let's say I got a painting of Van Gogh, and it's digital. And because it runs on the same technology that cryptocurrency runs on, the blockchain, no one else has it. Yeah. I have this painting of Van Gogh, but it's digital.
Yeah, you bought off somebody who actually took the picture of it. So the person who actually took the picture, other than they made the digital picture.
They made the digital picture, correct. Yeah.
But the first buyer gets a lot of residual along with the original seller.
So right? NFTs.
I take a picture of the Spider-Man fan right here.
Yeah. Spider-Man fan. Yeah. I love Spider-Man.
Anyway, and then I put it up on the NFT market.
Yeah, right.
Some idiot decides to give me $2,000 for it.
Yep.
Well, then I get $2,000, and then if he wants to resell it, he can resell it for how much he wants to. But then I got a percentage each time he sells it because I'm the original guy who took the picture. But he's the original owner now, so he's kind of like, I'm the original picture taker, original owner, right? Is that correct?
That is absolutely correct. That is absolutely correct. And if I'm not mistaken, so Bitcoin right now, NFTs can only be purchased through Ethereum. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think you could buy it through Bitcoin.
No, only.
How about take a picture of la dueña and try to sell it as an NFT?
Somebody call.
Let's go for it, guys.
Bogut, hit him with it.
I'm with it.
Digital dueña in the house.
La digital dueña.
Digital. Wait, so where do I go?
That's it.
I need to continue, Manny.
So I'm like, wait, if I could be digital, then where do I go?
So right now we got you would be in the ether. You'd be on the blockchain.
Yeah.
How do I go to the bathroom?
You would take a download.
Take a pee-pee in zeros and ones. Take a pee-pee in zeros and ones.
Facts.
I might give somebody a virus.
Zeros and ones.
Coronavirus.
Yeah.
So NFTs then, so that people can know more or less a little bit more in depth what that means.
Yeah. So after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a strong third right now, people are talking about Cardano. Cardano is another one that's coming up. Litecoin has been around just as long as Bitcoin, just about. It's like a baby Bitcoin. Of course, you got Dogecoin. People feel different ways about that.
To the moon, baby, to the moon.
You were waiting for that one, but
yeah.
They keep showing the dog. I have
Listen.
The Inu dog. Is that like the logo? Is that like
my dude Elon?
That is their logo, yeah.
My dude Elon's a real soldier for saying he's gonna stick through this dip because that joint is gonna drop below 20 cents. I guarantee it.
Well, Doge is super risky right now, and like anybody that does not know about investing, I would, like any beginners, I would definitely not recommend you to like even invest in Doge. Not yet. Like
Doge, listen, like, everybody thought Manny, you already know. I was thinking the same thing, but once this joint passed 50 cents, I was like, esto es de verdad. These people are really behind this. Yeah, so I bought in. Yeah, I got out.
Yeah, I mean, hey,
I traded all of that for Bitcoin. I was like, let's go, Bitcoin, vámonos.
There's a saying in the industry that all profit is good profit. So hey, if you made profit, then kudos to you. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah, all profit is good profit.
Yeah, you see, that's why I took my money and I just spread it across the board.
Right.
I wanted to know what I was doing, but I knew I wanted to get in. I just didn't know exactly where.
Right. If you're able to, never put your eggs in one basket. You want to spread out your portfolio. I myself, like I said, I trade in the foreign exchange market. I do cryptos. I have a little bit in stocks. Not so much. But the point is to spread it out. I invest in gold as well.
In actual gold?
In actual gold. So I trade in gold in the foreign exchange market. So whether the value of gold is going to go up or down. And
okay.
I make
money
on both
What about purchasing the gold coins? You think that's worth it?
So I have a little bit of I have you were talking about tangible gold, and I have some tangible gold as well. But I it's not as important. It's just good to, like, if you can do it, then sure. Then yeah. I mean, hold on to it. But again, the value of gold fluctuates. It's liquid, and that's the good thing about gold. Gold is the most liquidable thing like ever. At any time you could sell it and just have money. So to have a gold bar, and I mean, hey, if you could get a gold bar and have a gold bar in the crib, then absolutely. Or even gold coins.
Manny, so I'm asking a question because a lot of people get confused because I have most of the public sometimes gets confused or discouraged when they go buy a Bitcoin because they see that it's at right now it's like $40,000-$30,000. It went down, right?
Yeah.
Like that. But then they don't understand that they can still buy a portion into it. They don't have to buy a whole share. So how does that work? How does that work? If a share is 32, let's say, what is it right now? Let me just check just so I don't say
currently,
like a fraction of a share.
So right now
Bitcoin's at 35,607.
Okay, so then somebody
35,621.
An amateur who's going in there
647
an amateur who's going in there trying to purchase some of it. Somebody, what the hell? I don't have $35,000 to buy a share. Right? So how do you go around that? How does that work? How can you invest into it without actually putting $35,000 down? You can put in 100, 200. How does that work? How does the process work? Because a lot of people get confused. I have people who tell me, "Hey, I don't have the money to invest." I'm like, "Well, you can start off slowly by putting in $500." Then they look. So am I going to be $30,000 short? I'm like, no. They don't get it. Can you explain a little bit better since you're an expert in it?
Absolutely. That's funny though. Imagine like, I still owe to buy Bitcoin. Nah, but
that's the question I would ask.
Yeah, nah. You absolutely. So you never have to buy a full Bitcoin at $35,000. I mean, if you could, that would be excellent. And right now is the time to do it. Absolutely. If you have the 35K, but no, you don't have to do that. They have different portions of it. They have different names as well. The smallest portion of Bitcoin is called a Satoshi. And that was made by that was actually from the what was it? I think the expert, the professor, his Japanese expert. His name was Satoshi. His last name. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it sounds
bro, created it because I know the Japanese guy who created it.
Yeah. So absolutely. But you can buy like $5 of Bitcoin if you wanted to. You know what I mean? You can buy $10. You can buy $1.
Satoshi is the smallest version of the Bitcoin that you can buy.
That is the smallest version of the Bitcoin.
So that's the version that people who don't have the $35,000 to buy a whole complete share can jump into and get a Satoshi. Correct. And they can get in the ball game and be like, okay, at least I got a piece of the pie.
At least I got a Satoshi. Yeah, I got a Satoshi worth of Bitcoin. Absolutely.
How many levels of Bitcoin are there? Do you know exactly the number? What's the highest and what's like from the highest to the lowest? We already know Satoshi is the lowest. What other options are there available? Let's say somebody who has $5,000 to buy. What would they do? Would they go with Satoshis or would they go with like a Satoshima? I don't know what the hell. Like I don't know the names.
It's a show,
ding ding, baby.
So, so I mean, if you only had 5,000, I would definitely advise to like spread it around. And in the foreign exchange market, you can turn 5,000 around very fast. As compared to like, let's say, for example, people always talk about stocks, and nothing against stocks. But
oh god.
Yeah, but but the way
just ruined my life right now the other day.
Oh no.
No, but yo,
the basically the way in terms of growth, you can 4, 5, 6x your account, or way more than double your money easily on the foreign exchange market, and faster than you can on the stock exchange market. So, for example, because the market moves in pips, so depending on how much of course you want to invest. Like in anything, you want to invest responsibly. You don't want to just throw your money in. You definitely don't want to.
You don't want to take your whole rent.
Yeah, you don't want to throw your eggs in one basket. You don't want to over leverage. Of course not. But with a certain amount, with a certain lot size, we call it lot size, that you put in, catching maybe 30, 40 pips, which in the foreign exchange market is nothing, is not a lot. You can easily just double, you triple, depending on your account, double, triple your account easily.
Yeah, I've done it.
Absolutely.
That's right.
Now, is there's so many apps out there that are offering Bitcoin now, like PayPal and Coin and Stash and Robinhood and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
Is there any particular one that you suggest?
So
like
Coinbase there's a lot of crypto wallets. They're called crypto wallets, where you can just buy cryptocurrency and just hold on to it online. So I think Coinbase is a good one. Coinbase is pretty reliable.
Okay.
I would recommend Coinbase. Also, you can buy even on Cash App. A lot of people that use Cash App, you don't have to, like, people that don't know much about investing. Let's say you just, you're just, dipping a toe in investing. You got $5. You want to try buy $5 of Bitcoin, $10 of Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You can buy it on Cash App. Simple as that. If you already have it, if you're already using Cash App.
Okay.
And just hold on to it.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, that's very interesting.
Absolutely.
So what is your ultimate goal? Like, you want to open your website so that you can teach people, or you said you were going to start doing a program? I do. Right.
So, I'm teaching the other day. I'm teaching my girlfriend right now, who also is a real estate agent, by the way.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. Absolutely. And so I'm trying to, I got a couple people also that I'm trying to that I am teaching personally, one-on-one. I'm only one person, so I don't have all the time to.
You better be only one
everybody.
person.
You know what I mean? I would like to help. Oh, toxic. Oh.
Guys, we got another crypto expert coming on very soon to counteract what Manny is saying. So continue, man. I'm sorry to interrupt.
Okay, yeah, and I got like 5 more minutes. I'm gonna start.
So we gotta bring on this other guy before you go, because you're gonna be
okay.
surprised, little girl.
I mean, you know.
Are we about to have a formal debate, sir?
Oh, I welcome a formal debate. No problem.
Number
awesome.
2.
Awesome.
Crypto sucks. Crypto sucks.
Crypto's the shiznit, bro.
Hey,
my son is like killing it in the kitchen. He just made some woo.
Nice.
Some bacon.
What my do slushy make, bro? By the way, everybody, La Dueña's son looks exactly like Slushy, the DJ. So that's why I'll shop for him.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Crypto sucks.
Shut up.
This guy.
Yo, dímelo, primo.
I'm taking over right now. Yeah, I'm his cousin with some. And, you know, shout out to La Dueña over there. Look at her blushing.
Take over.
It's all good, boo. I'm here chilling.
Whatever.
I heard about you. This is why I'm really here, because I heard you was into this crypto game, and like I like those.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I mean, like I said, more than just the crypto, also the foreign exchange. I trade gold in the foreign exchange. But the purpose, to finish answering La Dueña's question real quick, the purpose of the website and everything is really. Oh,
Your
sorry,
camera,
guys.
my nigga.
It's okay. I'm listening.
It's cool. Now it's really just to help out people. I am teaching a few people personally. I'm building the website to help more people, to reach more people who do want to learn about it, who want to know how to make money on it. If you ever, had a question about, everybody's, I'm hearing stories, unfortunately, that people are even getting scammed, man. Like it's rough out there. People are even getting scammed over like this crypto nonsense or over like Forex. Like they're trying to, like people are trying to. I heard a story that what was it? It was my girlfriend's friend that she wanted to learn Forex, and she went to somebody like in hopes to learn Forex, and they was like, yeah, just send me a check, and they try to scam her. And this is a single mother, you know what I'm saying? Like,
They'll try all that.
Yeah.
I mean, like, just to add what you're saying, like if you see a scammers market coming in, it's probably because they recognize it's like something.
There's a lot going on right now. Exactly. There's a lot going on right now, and there's plenty of opportunity. And unfortunately, people see that and they see that as opportunity to take advantage of others. So, you know what I mean? I just want to help those that I can and try to reach out to those and listen, man, I was able to pay for vacations with Forex, with the Forex market.
Well, you said that was like a website you're developing for that?
I have a website, moneypowereffects.com. So, yeah, it's already up.
I need to learn a little something. So
absolutely. So the website is already there. There's nothing on it right now because it's in construction, obviously. Unfortunately, I'm working on it. That will be up very soon.
Oh, you basically got the domain though, so you
absolutely good. Yes.
Nobody could come fuck around.
Yeah, you got it.
All right, you're doing it. You make it happen. That's
you got it.
Starts.
You got it. Of course, I've traded in the foreign exchange market myself. Trade a little bit, and I do have some cryptos as well. My own crypto wallet. Excuse me. Mm-hmm. And for those that a lot of people that get emotional because right now cryptos
I'm very emotional.
Yeah, what I mean is like because cryptos have been down, so people trade emotionally and people get scared and people, oh my god, and you know what I mean. So they see that cryptos are like going down and the market goes up, the market goes down, and there's money to be made either way, man. Either way,
if you can recognize that it's volatile, I suppose.
Absolutely.
And emotions, like you said, you have to like kind of congregate your emotions not to be crazy.
Right. Absolutely. So
I like that Duena. She's good.
I had to take a drink when she said Oliver when she got nervous.
Everybody like that.
For everybody who doesn't know what's going on, Nelly set me up. Nelly set me up.
I see you.
Heights.
Looking nice,
We
though.
got a
You're looking
question
nice.
from the audience.
She took care of herself.
Ask him about the.
Yeah.
What's
Hilarious.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you something about the wallet. Like, I heard this. Like,
Sure.
so, like, when you say wallet, like
The crypto wallet,
it's
right?
like a physical wallet too, right? Like,
So it's a digital wallet. So it's called crypto wallet. So it's digital. It's not physical, unfortunately. There's nothing tangible. Yeah.
Can I chime in real quick on that?
Yeah,
one?
go ahead.
If you want to kick it old school, like back in the day when Bitcoin first came around, you could convert a USB to a crypto wallet.
oh shit,
You could literally carry it with you.
hacker RS.
Yeah, that's
No, that's how it used to do. No, that's how it used to happen. That's how you
it
used to have to carry your cryptocurrency. I've heard stories of people losing hundreds of millions of dollars in crypto because they lost the hard drive or the USB where it was at.
So, I mean, my question was that basically there's people that confuse as to what some people think that owning crypto, the real way to own crypto is to own a crypto wallet. What is that about, Manny? Can you kind of like decipher that? Because I had friends who tell me, oh, you know what? You invest into cryptocurrency, but if you don't own a crypto wallet, it's pointless.
So,
is that correct?
So, I mean, a crypto wallet is just a term. It's just a word used for where you can purchase cryptocurrency. So you can't purchase cryptocurrency everywhere. And I would be careful of anywhere that says that you can, without like a crypto wallet. So, for example, Cash App and Coinbase, those are crypto wallets. So if I wanted to buy Bitcoin, I would just go to Cash App or crypto or Coinbase and just create an account, which is free, and just buy off of there.
Is it liable?
Yeah. Do you like Robinhood?
So, I mean, me personally, I don't like Robinhood. I think Robinhood is risky. Yeah, I just think Robinhood's way too risky.
Blow them up, bro.
So
We here. I got your back.
So you cannot.
Oh, we're about to start some shit. Cuz, don't be bringing out the negative.
Oh god.
You're gonna have some nerds waiting for you outside.
So real quick, Manny. So through Robinhood, you cannot. They don't have a crypto wallet for you to versus like Cash App and Coinbase, right? So if you invest through Robinhood, you don't have that crypto wallet you were speaking of that you said in Cash App and Coinbase does, right?
So that just confirms that it's even more risky.
Oh wow.
Because that just means that they're just, you don't have anywhere to hold on to your money. So that means what? I can buy crypto from Robinhood today, and tomorrow I log in, it's going to be gone.
Okay, so that's not really your money if it's in Robinhood's hands.
You know, at least if I have it in a crypto wallet, I know it's in
not your wallet.
It's in a wallet, it's in a crypto wallet.
Okay.
Whether the value goes up or down, it's there.
There's no difference between having that or versus what A was talking about in the USB.
Yeah.
Right. That's just it's just on the
I thought it was
USB.
interesting because I don't know if you guys peeped this show I'm actually watching because of you, Oliver. It's called Startup. And it's on Netflix, and this thing is just super dope. Like, wow, it's about, this gangster thug from Miami who's the muscle, and then this finance guy, and then the super cute Cuban crypto girl, and she's all about creating her own code, and she's creating her own coin called the Gen Coin. And so basically they're, embezzling millions of dollars, and it gets all dramatic, but like, you guys should watch that. It's called Startup on Netflix. I'm like super into that, and it's all about the drama in crypto and Bitcoin and all that.
I gotta watch that. I like it a lot.
Got some Bitcoin.
I only watched a few, but
I was just about to ask that about the other day. Does he invest into Bitcoin?
Me, I'm currently right now. I have stocks. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, some Dogecoin. I'm looking into Carbonero. And I'm also looking into some other shit that it had a funny ass name, but I forgot.
Did you say Carbonero?
Yeah,
I heard of that.
My man just gave some flavor to that right now. I caught that.
Carbonaro.
Carbonaro over here.
Talking about my carbonaro.
That looks like
right
yeah.
$1 million.
I think I know it. I heard of something called Cardano. Is that what?
Yeah, Cardano.
Yeah, Cardano.
I heard a little something.
Carbonaro sounds way better though.
Yeah, like what's that?
Carbonaro sounds way
What's
better.
Carbonaro.
That just sounded like a last sub sandwich.
Right? Let me get
top
one.
cheese in a Carbonaro.
Let me get a
Carbonaro coin.
A little bit of carbonaro sauce.
Some green peppers in there.
Yo, but nah, yeah, I got some Bitcoin, I got some Ethereum, and I got some Dogecoin. I got a little bit of Dogecoin.
Though is it
But
Dodge
what I
or
did
Doge?
though, I don't fucking know. I call it Dodge. Whatever. The shit with the
Dodge.
dog on it.
His lemming.
Shit with the dog on it.
Dodge, Doge. Some
I
people
heard
call
it
it
was
Doggy coin.
Doogie.
Nah,
Someone I know said Doogie.
Hauser coin.
I'm not
once I saw
pointing
that
at
shit
any.
drop,
Oh,
like,
I'm
around
not pointing at it. But
45,
someone said
I said,
Doogie.
fuck this.
Okay,
I'm
I thought it was
for
Doogie.
Bitcoin.
This one right here said Dookie. I'm like, Dookie? He said, no, Doogie coin. I was like, oh, Dookie.
Okay, I got you. Okay, so just following, I'm trying to follow with the other day. I know, you know, we love you, Christine. Okay, just give me a moment. The other day,
All right.
your consideration for Dogecoin, right? So you're basically, is that like what you would advise people if they want to get into, like to
No, right now, I would not suggest getting into Dogecoin.
Okay.
Wait until that shit hits about 15 to about anywhere from 13 to 17 cents, because that shit is dropping right now.
Is there a reason why you say it's
there's other resources online, like, you know, like 4chan, even though 4chan is the sewers of the internet, as I was told.
Okay.
You feel me?
$80 effects?
No. There's people on there. There's like, because it's all anonymous shit. So there'd be people there with bread just talking wild shit. And right now, somebody's about to drop a major bomb on this shit.
I think that's true.
That's what I heard. That's what I read, and that's what I heard.
Yeah.
Saw it. Yo, anybody who got in Dogecoin, trade that shit for Bitcoin real quick. Let that shit get up with Bit. Then when Dogecoin's out, you know, 13 or 17 cents, I will get in it and ride that shit up to the moon, baby.
Excellent advice. I think that could work. Yeah, it's like you get like taxed or something if you like trade coins, right?
No, you don't. It's tax depending on what app you use. Like I use Coinbase. They don't fee you for the trading of crypto. So
there's no fee with trading the crypto.
No. If you're going from one crypto to another, they won't fee you. But if you're selling it or fucking if you're selling it or buying into, you know, selling it or sending it somewhere, then yeah, they'll hit you with a fee.
Hit you because if you send it to somebody, you still got to pay tax somehow.
Yeah, no, it's like a fee. It's like a $2 fee, $3.
There's a fee and a tax. Like I don't know.
No. It's just a fee. It's just a one-time fee.
Okay.
It'd be like $3, $4.
So you like Coinbase? Is that like where you would recommend people to get to?
That's one of my crypto. That's one of my crypto wallets. And
I like Coinbase.
And then the other one is Anchor USD. Anchor USD I like because
like a website Anchor.
No. It's an app. It's an app.
Oh, okay. It's an app.
Anchor USD. Yeah. They also have a savings account while you're trading, while the money's clearing from crypto to cash. That it has about 8% interest if you let your money rock there. It's really good, actually.
I mean, that sounds fun. Letting your money rock. That sounds like back in the days when like our parents had like those savings accounts.
That's sort of how you got to see the cryptocurrency age is like until cryptocurrency is actually currency, like that's how we're purchasing our shit now.
Yeah.
Just think of it as a savings account that actually has interest.
Yeah.
So you're gonna ride just like a regular savings account. You're gonna ride the market through, and whatever point you feel like selling, you sell, and you just do whatever the fuck you want with your bread.
Yeah, I would say that point where crypto becomes a not a stable, but like a main currency is very soon. It's coming very soon.
I think that sounds like a good thing. Like as far as we the people are, right? Like
absolutely, and that's how I feel about it.
Yeah, that's what I kind of figured it to be like. Kind of like you're just vaulting from the system, the man, like telling people out, stop controlling everything, and like like
Decentralized, right?
Centralized, right? Okay, so it's convincing to me. I kind of like it. I want to get into it, so I'm gonna check. I know you're still developing your website, so I'm gonna keep you tabs on that. You better help it out.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, we're grinding hard. We're grinding on this side. Absolutely.
I gotta put your host back. You know, I put the noose off.
How dare you, little fucker!
That show back now. You know. By the way, yeah, nice seeing you.
These guys put a gun to my head today. I want to talk to La Dueña right now.
Oh, man.
And they got me right downstairs. I got people downstairs waiting. So
I want to see the evil Chinese panda guy you got over there.
I'm a definitely.
Well, Manny, it was really nice talking to you. I mean, this is very interesting. I gotta go.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Me.
Absolutely,
but
thank you. It's
I'm
been
so
an honor.
glad that I had a chance to talk to you about this. I don't know anything about it, and I really would love to learn more. So we're gonna stay in touch and make sure. And this is your Instagram, right? Money Power FX.
Yeah,
another Instagram.
Money Power FX. Absolutely, is my business Instagram, and then Manny Hit Him With It is my personal Instagram.
Yes.
I'm gonna head out. Wish me luck.
Yeah, have fun.
Right.
Good luck with your rehearsal, mama. You already know.
La Dueña, have a good time.
Man, I really appreciate you coming on. I mean, there's a lot more to talk about when it comes to crypto. Maybe we can have you on once again, so you get a little more in depth. We had, kind of like a quick episode, but I really like what you're doing. I like the fact that you're trying to educate our community with how to do foreign exchange things as well, as far as the foreign exchange market as well, and the cryptocurrency is very good to do that. A lot of people are misinformed; they're not educated in that. And more power to you, brother. I appreciate you doing that for the community, honestly.
Thank you. It's an honor and a privilege, really, to come on here to have me and speak on it, and on your platform. And I would love to come back. I appreciate it, man. Definitely, there's money to be made out there, man. Literally, we live in an age where we can literally create your own money, and it just takes the right mindset and discipline. And if you've got a burning desire and the right a definite aim and faith, you can manifest anything.
Yeah, man. All it takes is that burning desire, people. But
and if it's burning, make sure you go check your desire.
If it's burning, you might have gonorrhea, brother. But anyway,
you make it.
Hey, yeah. No, but Manny, so real quick, just to let off with a good positive note for the public and our listeners, what would be your final message or advice? Let's say, for instance, somebody new into the game who's just looking to invest money, doesn't know what to do. What would be your best advice? They want to get in there, but they don't know. They have the money, they just don't know what to do with it.
Right. Absolutely. I would say that not only knowledge is power, applied knowledge is power. So get up on your knowledge. Absolutely. You want to trade smart. You want to invest your money smart and risk wisely. And yeah, as long as, like I said, as long as you've got the faith and you've got the discipline to do it, then you can definitely do it. It can definitely be done. There's money to be made out there.
Yeah, I mean, for sure, man. I definitely agree. You just gotta scare money don't make no money. Nope. You got that bread you want to invest. I mean, do a little bit of research, so you got an idea what's going on, and then just jump into things that are profitable. I mean, you could go to Yahoo News. There's a lot of forums out there that explain what to invest in, not what not to invest in. Then you have Manny. He has his website. You go there, check him out. You know what I'm saying? The website again. It's about to be up soon. You know what I mean? The guy.
Absolutely. Thank you again. And I mean, if again, it's all about mindset. So if you're willing to spend $300 on a pair of Jordans, then you can do anything. You can put your mind together and your money together to make more money and make it work for you.
Yeah, I mean,
I still got
those. Buying Jordans, why not invest in a Jordan company? And
yeah, Yeah.
Then you become, now you're really an owner. Not only do you own the kicks, but you own a percentage to the company.
Exactly.
So that, people, if you're gonna be rocking all these name brand things for free, what's the point? Jump in there, put in some money into those companies. Now you own a part of it, and you also rock their stuff. So now you can say, okay, you know what? I'm rocking this because I own a percentage, right? Even if it's
Absolutely.
1%. People don't understand that. I never
Right.
got people who don't understand that. Like you're like you know what I'm saying, you're basically you're not being sponsored by this company. So why are you even like showing them off for that? But if you own a share of it, they might as well just represent it, right?
Yeah, man.
Just never got that before, but yeah.
Ah,
Yep. But anyway, yeah, man. So Manny, you already know what it is, man. Catch Manny's website. You already know what it is. Moneypowerfx.com, right?
Yes, sir. MoneyPowerFX.com.
Will it be up within the next 30
And
days?
MoneyPowerFX to Instagram. I would say it'd be up anytime. By the end of this month, it should be up.
Okay, good.
Uh,
So you have it, folks. Starting June, you can go in there, find out information you want. Manny's gonna be doing his tutorials, giving out information, blogs, video blogs, regular blogs, and you said you're gonna be doing courses too, right? For people who want to
absolutely. So
Forex thing.
absolutely. So I'm gonna be giving courses on there. On top of talking a little bit about what it is, the forex market, and what exactly it is. I'm gonna be showing people how to make money, training them all about it from 0 to 100, and you can even do beginners, intermediate, and advanced courses.
Okay. Awesome.
So yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna go myself and take some courses, no doubt. Gotta support my boy Manny, and also, I mean, I want to get more. I want to become more knowledgeable. I know a little bit of it, but I don't know everything. I want to know more of it. This is the guy to learn it from. You know what I'm saying? So you guys out there, man, the Latinos and just anybody who's a minority who does not hip to the game. Even if you're not a minority and you're a majority and you want to get hip to the game, check out my man Manny, Manny Rodriguez, man. Moneypowerfx.com. On the show we have a thing called Final Thought based off the topic. Today's topic was cryptocurrency. The other day, do you have any questions before we go for Manny, and so we can do the final topic? I mean, the final thought. Sorry.
I'm good on it.
Okay, how was it having one of your best friends up on the show, bro?
Yo, that shit's crazy because
it's so surreal. So surreal.
Shit, bro.
And then your cousin comes out of nowhere. What the hell's going
on?
Yeah.
Like everybody I know.
What a show.
Okay, this guy's like full of like love right now in his heart.
Yeah, for real.
All I need is Charlie to pull up in one of y'all screens. Like, yeah, yo.
It's all love, man.
I told Charlie, man, he needs to come on when they talk about the film industry.
Oh, that'd be nice.
You know that man likes to be behind the cameras.
Yeah, he's like, I don't want to be in front of the camera. I'm shy. But yeah, so final thought, man. Since you're the guest, let's just give a final thought on cryptocurrency real quick.
Cryptocurrency is the future. It's the present. It's what's going on. I mean, there's if you can invest, it's definitely a smart move to invest. And like I've said, there's been money to be made out there. Those to the moon, nah.
To the moon. We going with that little dog.
Nah.
Oh man. So yeah, I mean, the other day, what's your final thought, buddy?
Yo, my final thought is everybody, please educate yourselves on how the future is going to work. We're currently at a certain crossroads where we could take back the power and the wealth to the common person, where our currency will be decentralized and where we control the value of it. Please contribute to that and let us as a society unite and just have one currency, and hopefully we could unite the planet under that, if nothing else.
Yeah, I mean, my final thought is,
I didn't know how deep I was gonna get there. My bad.
That's okay. Hey, just final thought, brother. It is what it is. Listen, my final thought is just to, get crypto or get kryptonized. You know what I'm saying? That's it. So, either or, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you don't jump into the game now, you're gonna regret it. It's the future of currency. Like you said, like money's gonna be obsolete in the future. So might as well jump in there now so you can be part of the owners instead of the buyers. You know what I mean? Wait, the buyers become owners anyway. But you know what I meant. right? So anyway, jumping in now so you can make a profit out of it and build generational wealth, perhaps, you know, and maybe make something out of yourself. All right, so we out of here, man. Dinner at the Roundtable Podcast. You already know what it is, man. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. We have Manny Rodriguez, man. MoneyPowerFX.com. You know what I'm saying? Check them out. Cryptocurrency expert here, 4x2 expert. And brother, we'll have it back on soon. The other day, Nelly Nell La Dueña. You already know what it is, man. We out here. You heard?
Mr. President, in 12 hours, I will destroy Washington, D.C. with this giant laser. Here's the plan. We get the warhead and we hold the world ransom for $1 million. $1 million.